Is your productivity stopped because Zlib Project can't find the Zlib Windows API 64 DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's identify the gap and fix it with an automated solution. Before we begin the manual steps for Zlib Windows API 64, you can access a utility designed to help provide a clean system environment. This is the Zlib Windows API 64, a 64-bit implementation of the ZLibrary Library using the Windows API stdcall calling convention. It is a mandatory requirement for hundreds of 64-bit installers and data sync tools. If missing, the parent app will report zip archive could not be opened or extraction module load failure during startup. Now let's dive into the solution, starting with a standard reinstallation. The Zlib Windows API 64 DLL library is a specialized asset belonging to the Zlib Project environment, and you must reinstall the host program that is displaying the error to ensure all internal dependencies are properly synchronized. If the error persists despite the new library files, we must verify if a simple synchronization conflict is preventing the file from loading. If your system has been running for an extended period, a reboot might be necessary to resync your background processes and clear any temporary locks on the Zlib Windows API 64 file. To avoid losing your place during the restart, bookmark this page now or hit the like button to save this video to your library for easy access later. With the reboot complete, check your status. If you're still seeing that error, here is the next phase of the fix. Remember, you can pause the video at any time. If the restart didn't fix the performance alerts, we need to rebuild the diagnostic counter registry. First, open command prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodctr//r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, while these files almost never break, their registration in the performance registry Hive does. This command wipes those entries and rebuilds them. Let's look at a key safety rule that will keep your PC protected while we address this error. Using an incorrect or unverified version of Zlib Windows API 64 DLL can trigger a domino effect within your runtime environment, causing unrelated professional applications to fail without warning. Instead of relying solely on manual updates, you can maintain your system environment using a professional maintenance utility. Streamline background processes by reviewing the maintenance utility linked below for Zlib Windows API 64. Liking this video tells us which technical fixes, like this one for Zlib Windows API 64, are most helpful to you. Subscribe now to build your own library of verified support resources.